Hey, Pet Dreams. Quick question. Are people finding your product on Amazon and actually buying it, or are they leaving and buying from someone else? I'm Zanny. I'm a business development representative from Amazon guy, and I'm looking at your listing right now, and I noticed a few small things that could be stopping you from getting more sales. Well, I'm here for a solution. So this is a tool that we use to look for keywords. Hold on, it's just loading. So we like to see a 1 to 2 ratio of paid to organic keywords, and we call that the 1 to 2 golden keyword ratio. And as I'm seeing here from a keyword distribution, you're kind of leaning low on PPC. This means you're likely underinvesting in paid keywords compared to competitors. Your organic keywords can be improved. If you check this out right here, this is the word cloud. So these are the most important keywords for your listing. There are thousands of additional keywords you can index for, and organic keywords help you get seen on Amazon without paying for ads. Moving down here are your keyword phrases, and I just arranged them from being the highly searched to the lowest. So just for an example, this keyword dog bed, we're not really ranking for anything here, and this is a huge missed opportunity. Just imagine how much sales could grow if customers could actually find your product using this term. Another keyword is cat bed, so we're ranking organically for it, but we're not really running any ads. Ranking in the double or triple digits organically means your product is very deep in search results, so customers might never see it. And by bidding on this relevant keyword, you can increase your visibility and even improve your organic ranking over time. Now let's take a look at what shows up in the search result. Just to give you an idea of how big your category is, just looking at the top 50 listings for a single keyword, you're already seeing around $18.5 million in monthly revenue. So this tells me there's still a lot of market share we can tap into here. What we do is we help you capture more of that through SEO by improving your rankings, increasing your click through rate, and boosting your conversion rate. That way, you're not just getting traffic, you're actually turning it into revenue. Now, let's take a look at one of your competitions. So we're not here to directly compare these two products, but to see what strategies you can learn and apply. So right now they're ranking for a lot more keywords than you, and this is a pretty big reason why they're seeing higher sales. More keywords means more exposure, and more exposure leads to higher sales. So for the past 30 days, they have sold over 10,000 units, and we are down to 1,500. So that is a big gap considering you guys are on the same category, but we can help you close that gap with a keyword gap analysis. Basically, we find the high volume keywords the competitors are using and add them to your listings. When we do this, we usually look at least 10 competitors and focus on the keywords most can be ranked for in the top 10 with the highest impressions. Doing this gets your product indexed for more searches and in front of more potential customers. So going back to your homepage, here's some places we can put some keywords in. So I can see you've already adapted your title for Amazon's upcoming changes. The next opportunity is making sure those 75 characters contain the highest value keywords and strongest customer facing messaging. So with less space available, every word needs to work harder to improve both search visibility and click through rates. Now, another area we can improve on is this. So we can improve on this area by fleshing out more keywords and maximizing the character count, which is 250 to 500 characters. But it looks like we're already doing that, so really good job on this one. And going here in our image tab, we got a lot of product images and product videos, so also a good job on this one. And we like to joke, but it's true that photos are for humans and the text is for robots. So using this framework will completely change how you build your listing. And speaking of images, okay, we do got some A plus content right here. So this is really great news because adding A plus content is one of the easiest ways to grow your sales quickly. Okay, so we got a is this a product grid? Yeah, we got a product grid here and a brand story. So overall, this is actually a pretty solid listing. We got everything we need here from A plus content, product grid, and a brand story. So all we have to do here is do some polishing here and there and optimize our SEO so we can maximize our sales. So here, my Amazon guy, we help Amazon brands go fast and profitably. Right now, we manage over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly ad spend, generating over $1.2 billion in revenue. So if you're losing rank over spending on ads or just not scaling the way you should, we fix that with data-driven strategies across PPC, SEO, and your entire catalog. So if you found this video helpful, please click the link below this video to speak directly with an Amazon expert to grow your sales on Amazon.